Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. So just grab it using the link in the description below. All right, now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at Deriv Killer. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Sri Hatono, priced at 300 US dollars to buy or available to hire starting from 100 US dollars a month with longer terms saving up to 84%. 3 months is going for 120 US dollars, 6 months going for 150 US dollars, and a year rental is going for 200 US dollars. It's on version 4.33, last updated in late May 2026. All right, so now scrolling into the description, this is marketed heavily around automation and disciplined execution, described as fully automated with what is called intelligent risk management. All right, and it's positioned as suitable for both scalping and active trading. Okay, I do want to flag one inconsistency here. The page title references 22 entry rule technology. The body text describes two embedded entry rules, and the closing tagline says 12 rules, one mission. Okay, so those are three different numbers for what sounds like the same feature. So it is genuinely unclear from the listing itself how many how many entry rules are actually involved. All right. Okay, I just thought to mention that. Further down, the listing states this focuses on high quality setups rather than high frequency trading, describing days with no trades at all alongside days with more activity, and states that capital preservation is the main priority, avoiding what it calls risky trades. Okay, now the recommended time frame is M1. All right, and a private message is required before purchase to receive installation instructions. Now let us get into the back test that I ran myself. Okay, and this is important context given what the listing claims about capital preservation. All right, let's head over to my strategy test and I'm going to show you something real quick. Okay, now you can see the test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net loss of just over $10,000. Essentially, the entire account. Okay, the account was blown, right? So let us break down how it got there. This test ran on the volatility 75 index, which lines up with the Deriv branding. All right, since that is a synthetic instrument specific to Deriv style brokers, and I deliberately chose to run it on volatility 75 because I saw that this image here displayed, it's volatility 75 index that was the symbol. All right, so I just decided to use the same symbol. Okay, and of course you can see this is the result I got. All right, this is the result I got. And the test was run from the beginning of the year, okay, the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality at 100%. Now, across 88 total trades, the win rate came in low at just 37.5%. Now, the average losing trades ran larger than average winning trades. You can see the average profit is 1,108.44, but the average loss is 847.5. Okay, so the average profit is a little bit higher than the average loss. All right, the average profit is actually a little bit higher than the average loss, but the win rate is significantly lower. Okay, the win rate is significantly low. All right, and imagine having this kind of win rate, with the difference between average profit and average loss not so much. Of course, it's not surprising to have the accounts blown. Okay, you will see that the maximum consecutive wins were just 4, but the maximum consecutive losses were 13 consecutive losing trades. That alone accounted for nearly $8,900 in losses. Now, the drawdown reached essentially 100%, of course, on both the balance and equity basis. Now, the profit factor came in at 0.78, and the expected payoff per trade was significantly negative, a whole negative 114.02. So, this result stands in real contrast to the capital preservation first. Okay, let's briefly head back to. All right. So, the idea to preserve capital, you can see the main priority of Deriv Killer is capital preservation first. The idea to preserve capital seemed not to be the case in reality. It doesn't seem to be the case based on our backtest results, right? Okay. All right. So, that stable, consistent performance language that was used throughout the listing doesn't exactly seem to be the case. It kind of contrasts with the results that we can see here. So, given how far this result diverges from what is advertised and the confusing entry rule counts on the page itself, I would recommend getting direct clarification from the developer on both the actual strategy logic and the discrepancy in rule counts before testing this further. Okay, so who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based only on what we have seen so far, this test resulted in a near total account, in a complete account loss, right? Based on this test. Okay, and that does not align with the marketing language used on the listing. As always, no expert advisor is universally suitable, and in this case, I'll treat the marketing claims with significant skepticism until independently verified. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.